1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Stevie Dainjara from Gemini Multimedia Limited. Today we're going to replace the BlueSpark SL, this beautiful microphone, and then we're going to try the massive Shure SM7B. There we go. The cap has fallen. Here's the cap. Okay, so we try to use this beautiful microphone. You know, we change this one right here. Now, to help us, we have this beautiful Dynamite that you know. It is a booster, so this is the package, and this is the Dynamite itself, looking like a lipstick. Ladies' lipstick. It's as tiny as a pen. Very, very beautiful. So in addition to that, in terms of interface, we will try as much as possible to use the Shure X2U audio interface. Yes. And then we will also try the Behringer U-Phoria, this beautiful interface right here. And remember, the reason why we are using the Dynamite DM1 is because the Shure SM7B is such a hungry mic, so it takes more than 48 volt, what we call the phantom power. So we're going to change this Focusrite to i2 interface with test 1 Behringer U-Phoria, and test 2 the Shure X2U, that is XLR-to-USB interface or adapter. All right, so let's go. First of all, let's change the microphone, the BlueSpark SL. There we go. I'll be right back.